What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this lighting look using the Raleno Softbox lighting kit. Now, this kit was sent over to me by the people over at Raleno, and I got to say I'm actually very impressed with the quality of lighting that these small softbox lights actually produce. Now, I think one of the downsides to this light is that it does not include a way to reduce the brightness of each light, but that is not a problem for me because I don't actually like pointing the lights directly at me. What I actually do is I point these lights to a white wall and have that light bounce off into me to create even a softer shadows and softer lighting. So notice here how I'm using the light in the room as my main source of light. And notice how it starts giving these really harsh shadows. And if what you're using to create content is your phone, the light in the room is not going to be enough to create a high quality video. Take your lighting from this to this using the Raleno Softbox lighting kit. So if you're looking to upgrade your videos and produce higher quality content, I definitely do recommend this Raleno Softbox lighting kit.